Did you know that ABB Installation Products offers a complete line of motor lead disconnects for 600 volts and 5 kV applications? Our color-keyed motor lead disconnects offer numerous advantages over conventional motor lead connectors. They eliminate nuts, bolts, washers, and torquing procedures. Also, the danger of mismatching of bolt holes on standard line load cable lugs is virtually eliminated. In addition, since they simply snap together and the insulating boots are easily installed, they save a great deal of time and labor. Plant electricians point out the installation of motor lead disconnects can be done much quicker than the wire lug connector and tape method. This is because the motor lead components are easily assembled, and the reduced size of the completed motor lead assembly allows for more space in the motor terminal box. Also, the insulating boots can be snugged on and removed with ease, providing a fast and clean insulated assembly. The terminations on the left that are currently being installed are using the color-keyed motor lead disconnect boots, providing the technician with superior protection by minimizing friction while also reducing the space used within the enclosure. Yes, it really is that simple. Meanwhile, the technician on the right is just beginning the long and tedious taping process. Well, now that the color-keyed motor lead disconnect installation process is complete, it looks like we have some spare time. So let's speed up the traditional installation on the right and take a deeper look into the color-keyed motor lead disconnect portfolio. Some key features for this unique solution are: ColorKeyed's complete line of motor lead disconnects allows flexibility for our customers, offering products rated for 600 volt and 5 kV applications, and is suitable for use with wires from 16 gauge all the way up to 500 MCM. The ColorKeyed crimp system provides the user an easy termination process. Simply choose the appropriately sized disconnect for your application. Then select the proper compression die by matching the die color to the disconnect color bands, and using the ColorKeyed crimp tool, complete the crimps. The motor lead boot provides users an easy means for insulating the assemblies. Removing the tie wrap cable ties and sliding the boot from the disconnects allows for quick disassembly. Our motor lead disconnects are tested and rated to the same UL and CSA electrical standards as other cable terminating connectors, including vibration tests, insertion removal testing, high current cycling, and much more. Motor lead disconnects are made using high-grade copper materials with electro-tin plating to provide excellent conductivity. The female disconnects feature a beryllium copper band to provide high reliability, greater surface area engagement between the male and female, and also helps provide security while energized as it tightens around the male disconnect. In addition, while most tests are performed with probes connected at the motor controller, our quick disconnect arrangement enables rapid isolation from the controller if needed. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what Donovan Foley with Electric Motor Shop has to say after working with our color-keyed motor lead disconnects for the first time.
Everyone's looking for a way to innovate to save money and time. It's a way to be able to get a motor in and out, test it without having to unstrip, uncrimp, and unbolt things. You go from taking a half hour to an hour just trying to wire up a motor, and in essentially 6 crimps and 3 ties, you're done. Straightforward product that just, it is what it is. Time saving, money saving, energy saving.
Now that the traditional installation on the right is complete, you can see that the time savings is clear. And we should also mention that our motor lead disconnects are available in a convenient kit that includes an assortment of the most popular disconnects, insulating boots, tie wrap cable ties, and a complete set of installation tools. Save time and money by switching to ABB's color-keyed motor lead disconnects for your installations. For more information on these or other ABB installation products, please visit our website or contact your local ABB sales representative.